Now in this lesson we're looking at understanding equations. Now to do this, let's consider a set of balanced scales. They have the same number of marbles on each side, but some are hidden inside bags. So there's an example there. There's some scales, there's a bag, and there's some marbles. Now let's start with some examples. We're asked to find the number of marbles inside the bag. Okay, now let's just draw the diagram again down below it. The idea is we've got to work out what one bag holds. How many marbles in one bag? Now let's see, we can take 2 marbles away. That would leave us the bag. So they take 2 marbles away and we'd have the one bag, but what would happen is that the scales would no longer be balanced. The right side would be heavier. So to balance the scales, what we need to do is take 2 marbles away from the right hand side. So we take the 2 marbles away and bingo. Alright, the scales are now balanced. So if the scales are balanced, we've got the one bag by itself. Hopefully we can see that they're now equal. So we say that one bag is equal to 3 marbles. Now, just looking at that original diagram there, we're saying that one bag equals 3 marbles. If we used our X-ray vision and looked inside that bag and had 3 marbles there, we can see that on the left side there are 5 marbles, and on the right side 5 marbles also. Hence, that is why they are balanced. Example 2, we're after finding the number of marbles inside each bag again. This time we've got 2 bags on the left, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles on the right. So draw the diagram again. Now we're trying to work out what is in each bag. Now we need to do 2 equal groups. So on the left hand side, let's just break that up. On the right hand side, 4 marbles in each of the groups. So hopefully now we can see that the 2 equal groups must equal the 2 equal groups on the right, so that in each bag there must be 4 marbles. Our third example, again, find the number of marbles inside each of the bags. Let's draw the diagram down. Now we need to find out what's inside the bag. Now we can take 2 marbles away from both sides. So let's get rid of on the left and then on the right to keep them balanced. So this is 2 steps. We still haven't got what one bag equals. We now need to break them in 2 equal groups. So 2 equal groups on the left, and we separate the marbles to form 2 equal groups. So now we have the balanced scales there, so we can see hopefully that one bag would equal 3 marbles. Terrific. Let's do one more. This time we have bags on both sides and marbles on both sides. So we reproduce the drawing there. Now what we can do, need to find what's in a bag. If we take one bag away from both sides, so on the left and then on the right, alright, well that simplifies things a fair bit. Now what else can we take away to simplify things? Well, if we're thinking about taking away 3 marbles, you're right. We get the 3 marbles away from both sides. We are now left with a balanced scale, telling us that really one bag is equivalent to 2 marbles. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.